Back to the channel. It's me, it's Mo, and welcome to a new video. So guys, I wanted to I don't know, I'm home kind of bored. I have a headache this morning, so I decided I was gonna get up and get my life together and vlog a little bit. I am home from vacation until Sunday. I'm dreading the days. Don't mind my hair, guys. This is just my protective style for when I'm sleeping. Yeah, my head is kind of hurting me this morning. So, but I really just feel like staying in bed. But I'm gonna try to be productive today. I wanted to go do Instacart, but I'm not gonna stress it. So guys, what I'm eating, in my country we call it farina and milo. So you're just gonna put the farina in the milo. In Ghana they call it gari. So, but I didn't know what to make for breakfast, so I'm like, this is like the easiest thing, so this is what I'm gonna make. This is what I'm gonna do, and then I'm just gonna go and run my errands. I don't really have much errand to do. I know I have to go to the post office to take something back for my daughter that she ordered from Shein, and then I'm gonna go to Burlington and see what they have. And then if the weather warms up, I'm gonna see if I could wash my car and clean the driveway. I have a tree on the front of the yard, and it just, all the leaves falling off now, of course, because it's winter. So you're making a mess. I've been looking at it for like weeks. So I want to try to clean it up. Let me see what the temperature gonna look like today. Good morning.
Good morning, Mo. The time is 10:16 a.m. It's 63 and cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy with a high of 69 and a low of 45. Have a nice day. Here's the latest news from Reuters TV.
So, it's not going to be that cold. It's not going to be that hot. So, but I still want to at least wash my car, you know, and clean out the inside, because we took a trip over the weekend. Went to take my son back to AIT, and you know, kids eating in the car. It's a mess. And this morning when I was dropping my daughter to school, I bought me a cup of coffee, and when I was adding the creamer and stuff, some spill on the car, in front of my car. So I want to go and make sure I clean that out. So it's so good. I try not to put too much gari in there because I don't know. I know in my country we call it farina, but gari is so much easier. Gari is so much easier. Yeah, and I try not to put too much in there, because when I put too much it becomes too thick, because it kind of swells. It becomes too thick, so I don't like it like that. So good, so good. Whew. Anyway guys, let me sit here, finish this, and then I'll get back with you guys. I'm gonna get myself together. Looks like it's gonna be raining today. But anyway, I am off to Burlington. I'm not going there for anything specific, and I should not be going because I should not be spending money. But I'm bored. I don't feel like being home. Yeah, I don't feel like being home, so I'm just gonna go there for a little while, see what they have. My daughter gonna be home soon. The yard don't even look that dirty anymore with the leaves because I guess they're blowing away. So I wish I get something that keeps my hair down like this. You know what I'm saying? But hey. Anyway, guys. I'll catch you guys when we at Burlington. Hopefully it's not too crowded and I could actually I didn't bring the tripod. Hopefully it's not too crowded and I could actually show you guys around. I am back home. I did go to, as you can see from the clip, I went to Burlington, and after I was walking around, I started feeling a little sick or whatever, so I was like, let me get out of here. So on my way home, I'm like, what am I gonna have for dinner? So okay, I'm gonna make some salad or something. So I know I don't have lettuce in the house, so I stopped at Aldi's and I got some cucumber. I got lettuce, and I was gonna do some chickpeas, bake some chickpeas, but then I saw this tofu cube, so I'm gonna try this and see how it tastes with my salad. Everything else I already have in the pantry or the refrigerator already. I just missing this stuff. And then I found this garlic herb grilled croissantini toast, and you could add whatever topping you like, and I do this tomato with oil, pepper, and parsley, mix it together, and then I will be eating it with this. So I bought this to try it out, but right now I am starving, so I'm gonna go ahead and make me some vegan dog with for my lunch, and then I have a snack that I want to do, but I want to eat real quick and then take a 30-minute nap before I have to go get my daughter from school. And then, but I'm gonna prepare my snack now because I have to do something on the stove for it to and it has to be cool before I add it. I'm gonna show you guys what it is. This tastes good. As I say, guys, this is the first time I'm trying this one. So let's see how it comes out.
The king is entitled to.
So I'm basically just tasting the relish.
In a chronological order. Nobody takes another one's position. Your Majesty, you are the king. In whatever place.
I don't know.
If having another wife,
I thought it would have like a.
I'm with you all the way.
I thought the hot dog would have like a taste to it or something, but it really don't. It is good. I like it, but I mean, I'm used to this kind of food, so that's probably why I like it. I think the kids, just because they see plant-based dog, they won't like it. Alright, guys, I'm gonna enjoy this, watch my African movie, and then relax until it's time to go pick up my daughter. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hello guys, as you could see, I did not accomplish nothing that I set to accomplish today. I did not wash my car, I didn't clean the driveway, and yeah, the day just flew away from me. It is now 5 o'clock and I still didn't eat my snack, so my snack now turns into my dinner, I guess, because I'm gonna eat this now, but I don't know if I want to eat again, so I may eat salad tomorrow. My kids said they don't want no salad, so they're gonna prepare something in the fridge or whatever they want to eat, and then I'm probably gonna eat my yogurt snack as my dinner, and then I'm gonna and then I'm gonna probably eat some of my crostini toast with tomato. But let me go ahead and prepare this. You know, I'm just gonna turn this vlog into what I eat in a day. Yeah. Since it didn't work out how I wanted to work out. Anyway, let me go prepare my snack. I'm not hungry, I just have to eat. Snack. That's just the yogurt, dairy-free yogurt, the cherries I did earlier, granola, and some chia seeds, and that's it, guys. Time to enjoy. So guys, as I said, this probably is gonna be my dinner because I don't feel that hungry, but if I do, I'm gonna end out the vlog now. If I do decide to eat something else, I'll just put it in the end, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that is my dinner. Let me give a taste test. A little bit of everything. Why am I doing this? That's good. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you can know each time I upload a new video. Until next time, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.